Okay, guys, so we're here with the Planar Motor team. It's a very, very cool floating table. Um, what's your name, sorry?
It's Jamie.
Jamie. Okay, perfect. So we're here with Jamie, and we're just going to give a quick overview of the company. Yeah, so obviously, I just found out it's from it's a Canadian-based company. But yeah, like give us a quick overview of the technology, if that's okay, Jamie. Yeah.
So this is Planar Motor. It's available to do all, as you see here, like freely move around in this plane.
Yeah.
So the bottom, the stators, they're modular, so
Right.
you can put them in any layout you would like, and then
Yeah.
this movers can move on just anywhere on the stator.
It's really impressive. Really impressive. I mean, so what sort of applications or industries do you see this sort of tech going into?
Well, right now, most of our customers use this for production.
Okay.
Um, because it can be controlled. These movers can be controlled individually.
Yeah.
So you can process different products in the same line.
Right. Nice.
And also because it does not, it's like fully levitated, so
Yeah.
there's no particle generation.
Right.
So our customers in the cosmetics and medicine and semiconductor industry really love this technology.
Something like that. Yeah. So even though we can't see it because we're looking down, are the plates like that then?
Yes.
They're actually in the air.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right
Wow.
now it's levitated by 1 millimeter. It can go up to 4
It can
millimeters.
go up to 4. Yeah. And then I suppose what stops it from like flying off the table? And so it's just the like magnetic fields.
We have many Hall sensors.
Right.
We're checking the magnetic field from the mover. So we are aware of the location of all the movers at all times.
Right.
So our controller prevents it from shooting off the edge.
Actually coming off the edge. Yeah. Yeah. Have you looked at like entertainment and stuff like that? Like I could see this being like you should go to all. I could see people in the entertainment, like Disneyland and all those big places, like they'd find something for this.
Yeah, we do have interested customer in the theme park industry.
Yeah, theme park. Yeah,
But
definitely.
something to be noted about this product is it has very strong magnets inside.
Right.
So it cannot be in an area where, someone who's not aware of this technology, like touch it.
Right.
If you put it close to a pacemaker or artificial
Right.
joint, it might cause harm.
It's that strong. Yeah.
It's very.
So it's like if I'm even wearing a certain watch and I put my arm by it, will it, my watch gets sucked in? Yeah. Yeah.
On the surface,
Yeah.
the magnetic field is not that strong.
Right.
Only maybe like a couple millitesla, but the
Right.
bottom side of the mover is very strong.
Oh, I see. I
So
see.
if someone like pull it off, that can be
Right.
dangerous.
Yeah. And is it always this size? I mean, can you make ones with much bigger? I mean, so the payload on here is like like a kilo max. Do you reckon you could go up to a much higher payload?
Oh, we have bigger movers.
You have got a bigger one. Yeah.
The biggest one we have right now supports 40 kilograms.
40 kilos. So it can move for 40 kilos. Yeah. Wow. Okay. That's impressive. Yeah. I can definitely, in the right scenario, where you need that weight, I can see it being a brilliant tool. Brilliant tool. Yeah. But
Thank you.
definitely on the entertainment side, I can see that being quite fun on the entertainment side as well.
A
Yeah.
lot of visitors comment that this can be used for marketing.
Yeah. Definitely. Yeah.
This can be actually like placed vertically.
What? And it doesn't fall off, so you can do it on a wall as well. Yeah, that would be cool. That would be cool. And then, so what's the payload maximum for this one?
It's 600 grams.
600 grams, right? Okay. Yeah, I mean, okay. And you got the video. What I'll do a little video of that like afterwards. But then, so how do you control it? So within the software, let's say I want the one with the boxes, and I want it to do a zigzag across. Do you draw it? Do you draw the actual way it's going to move, or do I've got to hard code it? Or
Yeah, we have functions. Or if you're controlling from PLC, we have function blocks. So
Right.
we have function block for like XY motion,
right,
where you command the endpoint of your like straight motion, and you specify like all these movers have their unique ID. So like you say mover ID 1 go to XY point
Right.
at like within this maximum acceleration, maximum velocity,
Right.
and it just moves.
Right. I see. So it's an A to B, and it does the bit in the middle.
Mhm.
And then, if there was something, if there was a block B in the middle,
Mhm.
the system knows, right, I've got to get around this block to get to
Mhm.
my position, so it does it.
Okay, there are two scenarios. So
Yeah.
if you command linear motion, is something in the way,
Yeah.
you stop before hitting that object.
Right.
And once
Yeah.
that object moves away, you complete
It will
the.
complete it. Yeah.
We also have the auto driving function,
Right.
which figures out like you maybe even move around the one in the middle and.
Right. Very interesting. No, that's cool. That's cool. No, I think it's a great quick overview. Yeah. It's perfect. Perfect. So thank you for that. Very much
Thank you
appreciated.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cool.